Anna Rose with Agent Owned Realty. I hope you're doing well today. Just wanted to go over a few things with you. I am hosting a mega open house on steroids event coming up on March 17th and 18th from 1 to 5 p.m. And this is on a property that's in West Ashley. Now, you can learn more about the property. I'm not going to speak too much in regards to that on this video, but you could actually go to the website, which is www.bestbhome.com. That's BESTBHOME.com. To learn more about the property, you'll have the full address, the MLS number, and some details and pictures in regards to the property and what's going to be taking place on that day. This is a mega open house on steroids event is what I call it, because it's going to be such a huge event. Okay, we're going to have anywhere between 30 to 100 people rolling in and out of this property in 2 days of it going on. So this is going to be something that you've probably never seen before, and I would love for you to be a part of it if you are interested in purchasing a house. If you are interested in purchasing a house, if you are a person that is wanting a property anywhere between 3,100 square feet, I think this one is 3,118 square feet, I believe. This would be an ideal property for you. It's in West Ashley. It's close to so much. If you love shopping, the Citadel Mall is right around the corner. Costco is right around the corner. And so many restaurants. If you are a boater or if you love fishing, there are plenty of landings to get to within minutes, just a few minutes to put your boat in or just to go over there and then fish off the dock or something. If you like to go or if you travel back and forth to James Island, Johns Island, downtown, or if you need quick access to the interstate, I-526, this is the perfect spot for you, the perfect house for you. So this property is in Melrose subdivision, but like I said, bestbhome.com is the website. And once again, if you know of anybody that is looking for a property, please tell them about this. Also, there's a good bit of information that we will hand out to you. This is a bidding offer, so if you want to bid on the property, you'll have to come by. All you have to do is sign in, look at the property, place your bid, and then we'll be calling those people after 5 p.m. Like I said, it's anywhere between 30 to 100 people. I'm quite certain that this house will get sold to the most acceptable offer by end of Sunday, that Sunday. So once again, we will contact everybody who placed the bid after 5 p.m. that day, and then we can go from there. But you'll know more about the bidding process and how everything works out on either Saturday or Sunday, whichever day that you come. But just so you know, don't feel obligated that you have to bring an agent with you, that you have to even already have an agent. You don't. You could just roll up and look at the house, place a bid, and that's it. And don't feel obligated that you have to be already pre-approved for a mortgage, because you don't. This is something that we don't want to put any pressure on you, and you don't have to worry about an agent following you all over the house trying to get you to buy it. That's not going to happen. I'm going to be way too busy for that anyways, because this is a mega open house on steroids. So please, if you have time, stop by and see me. Visit the website, bestbhome.com. And I'm Anna Rose again with Agent Owned Realty. See you soon. Thanks so much.